The Sicilian Folklore Group was the featured group in 2016, having made their initial performance the previous year, much to the amazement of hundreds in attendance.
The group had a very long history in Hamilton prior to their 20-year hiatus. They were so popular back then that they even had an opportunity to go to Italy to perform.
I remember shortly after being in the group, there was talk of us going to Italy, and I said, wow, going to Italy, we're going to go to Sicily, we're going to play at the Festa del Monte in Sicily. And actually it was Sam's dad, Angelo Chino, who was instrumental in taking us over there. I mean, he started the conversations with our colleagues over in Raccamuto, and next thing you know, we were on a plane. I remember too, there was people behind the scenes at the time, Mary Martorelli, who was our president, and also Lilo Puma, who was instrumental in organizing all the flights for us and making sure we all got there safely.
And now, about 25 years later, those who were adult members back then are now seniors in the group. Those who were children are now the adults in the group, and their children are now introduced to Sicilian folklore.
Folklore music tells stories, talks about the hardships, it talks about the good things that have happened, the birth of children, marriages, and even death sometimes. So it tells the whole story of life and the memories of growing up in Sicily. Yeah, so here we are, we had no practice, like we just got this group together, and then you and Sam are asking us to be the feature performers. So we started planning these, you know, what are the songs going to be, and so again, it was a lot of work, but everybody cooperated. And what I remember the most is just getting up on that stage and hearing the sound coming out of 3 generations of people. You know, we have 5- and 6-year-olds in the group, and we have 86-year-olds in the group. So 3 generations, and the feeling, I mean, you get goosebumps. You know what it's like when you go on stage and you get that feeling.
Sicilian Folklore Group of Hamilton!
As we said, we wanted to use this event to highlight the Sicilian language in every context. And Sam found a brilliant, yet frustrating way to showcase the Sicilian language in the North American context.
So growing up, one of my favorite comedy routines was the Abbott and Costello Who's on First. And I knew it well as a child. Now as a middle-aged person, I have fallen in love with it even more because of the superb performance by Sam Chino and Joe Bayardo.
The imagination that it took to do it in Sicilian.
And it was absolutely hilarious and extremely well done.
It's a side-splitting performance and leaves everybody crying with laughter.
Cool? No, cool's on. No.
Oh my God, we've got to get these guys over to St. Catharines and over to Buffalo and so on, because this is extremely funny as heck.
It really should travel the world for those who speak Sicilian.
Who's on first?
Non ne saccio io. Proprio non ne saccio.
Who's on first?
Who's on first?
Non ne saccio, non me ne frega!
Go for.
Who's on first? Non ne saccio.
Who's on first?
Come si chiama?
Che ne saccio io?
I don't know what I'm talking about!
Who's on first?
Hey Pepe, come andiamo Pepe? How are you?
Totò, come andiamo?
Buono sogno, come sei tu?
Mi facevo male la schiena, mi sciupiavo.
Ti sciupiasti? Come ti
Sì,
sciupiasti?
stavo sto baseball, ma cu carusi?
Con le
Ma
garuse?
cu lo fece sto gioco?
Con l'ufficio? Who invented baseball?
Yeah.
Sure, did you know that baseball was invented by Sicilians? In fact, they had a Sicilian baseball team. Did you know that?
Che te facesse, professore di baseball?
Well, you know, my father told me when I was a kid, right?
Yeah?
He said that baseball players have very funny names.
Funny names?
Yes, nicknames. Giulia, for example, on the Sicilian baseball team they had Who's on first, Como si chiama's on second, and Non ne sacco's on third.
Okay, that's what I want to find out. The names on the Sicilian baseball team. What are the names?
I'm telling you, Who's on first, Como si chiama's on second, and Non ne sacco's on third.
Tu sa come si chiamano? Tell me the names.
I told you. Who's on first, Como si chiama's on second, and Non ne sacco's on third.
Ok, dicimi per inglese so I can understand, capisco più meglio.
Okay, who's on first, what's on second, and I don't know's on third, Joe.
You don't know? You said your father told you the names of the players.
I told you. Who's on first, Como si chiama's on second, Non ne sacco's on third.
Okay. Okay, Sam. Toto. Let me ask you another way. Who c'è allo first base? Allo primo basso?
Yes.
That fella playing first base.
Go.
The guy on first.
Go.
What are you asking me for?
I'm not asking you, I'm telling you who's on first.
I'm asking you who's on first.
That's the man's name.
Who?
Yes.
Tu sa lo nome di chi andrà al primo basso?
Yes.
Come si chiama?
Go.
Chi andrà al primo basso?
Chi suo lo nome?
Who?
Yes.
Per piacere. Come si chiama chi andrà al primo basso?
Oh no, come si chiama è lo secondo. Who è lo primo?
Non lo saccio.
Non ne sacco's on third. Who's on first?
If you don't know, how am I supposed to know? Okay, let's try another way. When you pay the first baseman every month, who si piglia I soldi?
Ogni scudo l'ha guadagnato. He earned every penny of it.
Who?
Yes.
Who se li piglia?
Perché no? Sometimes his wife comes and gets it.
La moglie di who?
Yes, la mogliere.
Who?
Yes.
That's what I'm trying to find out. Come si chiama chi entra al primo basso?
Oh, no. Come si chiama è lo secondo? What's his name's on second base?
I'm not asking you come si chiama on second. I'm asking you come si chiama on first.
I told you who's on first.
Okay, let's try the outfield. Does the Sicilian baseball team have an outfield?
Yes, absolutely.
The left fielder's name, chi andrà a sinistra?
Perché?
Chi ne saccio io? I thought I'd ask.
Well, I just thought I'd tell you.
Allora, dicimi lo who è al left field.
No, who's on first?
Stay out of the infield, stay out of the infield. The left fielder's name, lo nome del chi del left field è a sinistra.
Perché?
Perché so?
Perché was playing center field.
Okay. You got a pitcher on the team. Chi che tira palla?
Certo, there's a pitcher, of course.
Tell me the pitcher's name.
Domani. Tomorrow.
Domani, voglio sapere ora.
Te lo dissi, domani.
Lo catcher, chi ingaglia palla. Come si chiama?
Lo catcher non si chiama come si chiama. Come si chiama lo second base?
Non ne saccio.
No, non ne sacco's on third.
Oh, e manco io ne saccio. Voglio sapere lo nome dello catcher so I can understand if Domani is the pitcher. If Domani has the ball and someone is running the home base, Domani will throw it a who? Who?
No, non l'hai detta a Q, l'hai detta a Suso.
A Susu?
Yes, domani laieta Susu.
But in baseball, there can't be a Susu and a Yusu. È tutto un piano. It's all one level. If Susu is not there, a cu laieta.
Non laieta cu, laieta Susu. Se Susu non c'è, laieta Yusu.
Allora,
Yusu second string, Joe.
che facciamo? Laietiamo a Susu o a Yusu?
That's right.
Now, ok. Fa finta che io sogno domani. When the guy at the bat bunts the ball, me being a good pitcher, I want to throw the guy out al primo basso. La piglio alla palla e la attacco.
That's the first thing you said right all day.
Talking about, ma cosa c'è che parlo io?
Calmati, poi stupiare a ria, calmati.
Remember now, I'm the pitcher. Domani la jetta la palla chi giù a first base. Whoever that is, gli giù piglia la palla. Ma chi giù di l'altra squadra corre come un cavallo allo secondo basso. Cu piglia la palla, la jetta come si chiama? Come si chiama la jetta? Non ne saccio la jetta domani. Questo si chiama triple play.
That's right.
È meglio se chi giù dall'altra squadra corre a home plate. Domani la jetta la palla a Suso o a Yusu. Dipende se Suso è sciupiato o no e se la jetta la palla a più lesto possibile e la manna fuori. Yeah!
Ora si gioca la baseball, Joe. Ora si gioca la baseball.
E dopo, viene Nandro che batte la palla con sto bastone. Con la forza che la manna la palla al left field. Dicimi, what's the left fielder's name again?
Perché?
Perché non mi frega più.
What was that you said? Che diciste?
I said I don't give a damn, non mi frega più.
Oh, non mi frego più. That's the shortstop, Joe.
Ah.